Hi, his name is Honey Bunny. I'm Adriana, and today is a cleaning day. Not for him. He will hide and sleep all the day in the bed while mommy is cleaning. So I hope this video will motivate you to clean your house too. So let's get starting. So here we are, starting the day with no dishes in the sink, meaning cleaning everything, and if you see, you see. And then rule number 2 is putting a load of laundry on, starting the day like this. Sometimes I don't feel like vacuuming, so I put my mop vacuumer, Bobica, to do the job for me, and then I start planning the day. I know you've seen a part of these sequences because I did it, but it's also the reality. It's how I do my day and how I plan cleaning everything, making lists all the time, because I'm a visual person, and I function with lists, with to-do lists of cleaning stuff, taking the dried clothes from the hanger and putting it down on the hanger. When you know, you have to do the mundane tasks, the daily mundanes that are killing us all. And sometimes I'm just wondering, you clean your house and the next moment it's dirty all again, it's dusty. Have you known that Romania and Bulgaria are top 2 countries, the dustiest from Europe? If you didn't know, you know now. So the dust is killing us all here in Romania. I don't know about Bulgaria, but definitely here in Bucharest is full of dust. And we struggle a lot with that. And I mean, it's not fun to clean your carpets and everything, and an hour later to be full of dust again. It's a bit frustrating at some point, but again, this is how I do stuff and how I make more space. This is a hack that I've learned to make more space on your dryer. Just add some hangers and put your t-shirts and blouses in, and also add a little bit of I don't know, something for your socks, like I did here. And now we're moving to the bathroom, and this foamy stuff, Domestos, is it has chloride and really does amazing job, but don't put as much as I did because it's a pain in the rear cleaning the foam out. Other than that, disinfectant and whatever you want, I like to do the wipes also, just to be sure that everything is nicely clean and tidy up and disinfected. So I'm taking the time to do this. I usually clean my toilet once a week. This is how I do the things around here. If I feel it's filthy or too dirty, I will do it twice a week, but it depends on, I don't know, on the week. Usually I do it just once a week. And if I'm out of home and there is no one home, it will stay 2 weeks without cleaning because no one used it anyway. So it's not about being dirty, because we usually clean it after usage, but it's usually the dust that is killing us. And the biggest mistake of your life is having a black sink. You know why? You will see every single thing in this sink. So this is a lot of TLC here, tender love and care, that I have to give this sink. I have to clean it twice a week. If you really want to be super clean and super nice, you have to clean it every day. But who has time for that? I'm trying not to spill water on it because Kalkar will see and the white dust will be shown, but I'm trying to not spill a lot of things and clean it twice a week. Sometimes when I really don't have time, I will let it like this for a whole week and clean it just once a week. Judge me all you want, but in order to have it like this, shining perfect, after you clean it, wash it, you have to dry it also. And now the bathtub is always a must, and actually I'm disinfecting my bathtub once a day because Honey Bunny is also taking his paws washing in the bathtub, because after he's walking outside doing his necessities, at the end of the day I am not sitting in the full bathtub of germs and so I'm disinfecting it every single evening before shower. But once a week I also clean everything around the bathtub because dust is everywhere. So this video is not about cleaning, it's about dust in Romania in general. So white dust on black floors or dark floors, and black dust on white surfaces is the pain of my existence. If I hate something, is finding hair all over the place, even mine, and finding dust. Anything else I can put up with, but this one with the dust things is killing me. Anyway, I think I will do a minutes challenge to see if everything will go according to plan and how fast I can clean the toilet and the bathroom and cleaning around each area of my house on segments. And we're moving now to the most important place in the house, meaning the kitchen, where love is prepared in dishes. But preparing food is also cleaning the stove all the single time. The same thing, black stove, you can see every single spot on it. And the pain of my existence is cleaning the stove because I can't stand it anymore, and then cooking and doing a mess all over again. It's frustrating, but is what we do. I mean, I will not clean it again after I just clean it and spilled pasta water on it, or cheese, or whatever the heck I am cooking that moment. But the thing is, cleaning the stove is also kind of one time per week or 2 times per week, depending how filthy it gets. But the black window in front of the stove, I really have to put strong cleaning products on it just to not have grease on it. If the grease starts harden on it, it will be a pain to clean it because it starts harden, and it will be very hard to clean. So I'm doing that. I became an expert of cleaning the stove very fast and very easy, just with soapy water. And sometimes I usually use also some glass window cleaner because my stove is out of glass, so it helps. And also the sink has to be clean also. You clean your dishes, you clean your fruits and vegetables there. So if you clean them, you have to clean your sink also, otherwise you will have a filthy sink, and we don't want that. The good part with this sink is being so dark you can't see spots on it. So then we're moving back. I'm putting a video of here we have Sarah from our tribe of many, who she was talking about something, and while I take the clothes off, the dried clothes and putting them away. Usually I listen to a video. Was Sarah, sometimes is Kim from the Wads, she's my favorite. Also sometimes is Angela Critters, but whenever she's starting cooking, I'm starting getting hungry. Also Alice and Pearl Jam, I enjoy seeing the sweet furballs playing and fighting all the time and loving each other, having baths and taking soaks, sun baths. A lot of friends I'm watching while I'm doing chores in the house. Also, I have a few friends that are having sounds effects that really I hear them all the time, like hearing the rain is very therapeutical, so I put the rain on something else device and go with my day. It's like I have a rainforest in my house. Or Max Sound Meal, when I have a depressing day, I put his mixes, and I dance around the house and doing stuff. Usually when I'm cleaning or when I have to start the day, I'm doing it with Max Sound Mill. He has amazing sounds. Or when I want a new type of coffee or something, a nice drink, so I can feel fancy, I can do it with Fong. So I will add them here if you want to see them and check them out. And maybe, who knows, you can find some nice channels too that I enjoy. So this is basically my thing. Whenever I'm taking clothes out of the dry and put them back, I'm listening to something, I'm looking at something, or sometimes I'm calling my godmother and ask her about her day. Usually I'm talking with her once a week, and we're telling each other what else, what new recipes do we know, what can we find out. Maybe when one of us is sick, the other one, oops, my tablet just died. Earlier I did the same thing while I was talking because I wasn't keeping it as I should. So if this tablet is dying, my YouTube channel is dying, because I'm doing a lot of things, editing and also looking or at things on this tablet. It's a Xiaomi Pad tablet. It's so nice. I love it. I adore it. It has a lot of space, and really I'm editing on it. It helps me a lot. I have a Power Director editor. This is my editor, and I am giving 14 lei per month. It's $2 per month, and I edit a lot with it, and it's totally worth it. You pay it once a year, but if you divide it in per month, it's €2, $2, 2 something, maybe 3 maximum, something like that. But it helps me a lot, and I don't know what I would do without it, because the editor that I have, it's on on an Android, and my tablet is on Android. If I wanted to do the editor on my Windows, I have to pay extra, and it's a huge amount of money that I'm not willing to give on an editor. But yeah, if you have a good editor, free good editor, easy and intuitive like Power Director, please let me know. For, I don't know, I mean, I need a desktop one for my Windows, because my Power Director is very good and I wouldn't like to give up on it, but I cannot edit the all my life on the tablet and on my phone. I'm still doing that because it helps and because it's a good purchase, but I'm not sure I want to do it all my life. Sometimes probably is easier on the laptop, but I really need your advice if you have a good editor, free good editor for Windows. Now I'm taking a part of my clothes away. Obviously, I had a lot of clothes going on and a lot of loads of laundry to do. Usually I am pretty organized and I'm trying to put them all together at once, but I had a few hard days, so I put them on the sofa and let them rot there for a few days. And of course, piles and mountains of laundry just appear from nowhere. So look at me, I took half of the day just to put the laundry away. But you know, it's nice sometimes. I enjoy it sometimes, not all the time. But when I have the time of looking at a video or doing stuff that I have to do and multitasking, it's amazing to do that also. And I started watching my favorite channels or listening to my favorite channels when I do chores, and this is my treat. So this is my excuse to not feel it as a chore and as at like a pain in my existence. And this way actually it gets me motivated to do the chores and not feel it so hard or so repetitive, because I get to watch something that I like or do something like that I like while I am cleaning or while I am organizing around the house. By the way, this is kind of it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want an organizing video, and I hope everything goes well, and see you guys later. Bye!